Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y72 5G and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages. It doesn't really matter. Let's open it, and since we've got the keyboard on the screen, we can take a look at this option bar and enter the settings. If you cannot find the settings right here, no worries, just tap on this three dots icon and you will be able to find the settings somewhere here. And if you'd like to drag them to this option bar, let's say, just tap on it and hold it and drag it whenever you want to. So let me enter the settings, let's tap on the languages, and here we've got the list of the languages which are right now installed on this device, on this keyboard actually. So let's tap on add keyboard, and as you can see here we've got the full list of all available keyboards, all available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to simply find the one you would like to set and tap on it. So let me pick Turkish, for example, and sometimes you will be able also to pick the region. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here you've got also the options of the keyboard which you can pick. So it's really up to you, of course, which option you'd like to use. I don't want the QWERTY, I would like this one, for example. It doesn't really matter. Let's tap on done. As you can see, it has been immediately applied to this list. So right now we can go back to the keyboard and check, and as you can see here we've got actually two differences. So first of all, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using and we've got currently applied, and all we have to do in order to change the language is to simply tap on this new icon, the globe icon. So right now I can easily type in English, but after tapping on this globe icon, the keyboard slightly changed. It is because we've got some letters added which are characteristic to the Turkish language. So right now I can, let's say, type in Turkish and again English. We've got like, let's say, regular keyboard. So actually this is it. This is how to add the keyboard to add the language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it. So let's enter the settings, let's tap on the languages, and all you have to do is to simply tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language you would like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. After getting back, you can see that again we've got the empty spacebar and we cannot see the globe icon. So it means that we can only type in English. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your VIVO Y72 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.